Good morning, children. Welcome to math class. In our last session, we discussed exercise 2.4 and we learned addition of three numbers. Today, we'll discuss exercise 2.5. In this exercise, we are going to learn the verbal problems. Word problems are the verbal problems. Let us see the example, children. Look at the screen. Order of addition. I'll read the question. Listen carefully, children. Class 2 went for a picnic to Nehru Park. There were 22 boys, 37 girls and 8 teachers. How many people in all went for the picnic? Okay, from second class they went to the picnic to Nehru Park. For picnic, total 22 boys, 37 girls and 8 teachers went for the picnic. Now you have to find out total how many people went to the picnic. Okay, here the number of boys is given, that is 22, and number of girls 37 and teachers 8. Now we have to find the total people went to the picnic. So what we have to do? We should add boys plus girls plus teachers to get the total strength. Okay, children? Okay, look here. 22 boys, 37 girls, 8 teachers. Now add all these three, you'll get the total strength. Those who went for the picnic. Now here, first of all, we have to add the digits in the ones place. Here the digits in the ones place are 2, 7, 8. We'll add first 2 and 7. Then the total will add to the 8. Okay. Now 2 and 7 in these. 7 is the bigger number and 2 is the smaller number. So what we have to do? 7. Keep in your mind and 2 will draw the lines. Now count after 7, children. 8, 9. So 7 plus 2 is 9. Now 9 plus 8. 8 is bigger, 9 is bigger number and 8 is a smaller number. So we'll draw 8 lines here, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 2 plus 7 plus 8 is 17. Now we'll regroup 17. In ones place 7 and tens place 1 is there. 17 equal to 110 plus 7 ones. Okay, so we'll write 7 here in the ones place and 1 will carry in the tens place. Now add the digits in the tens place, children. Here the digits are 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Now 3 plus 3, count after 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Now total how many people went for the picnic, children? 67. 67 people in all went for the picnic. Okay. Now we'll change the order of the number and we'll find the sum. Now change the order of the numbers and add. Here in first we have written boys plus girls plus teachers. Now we will change the order and we'll write as teachers, girls and boys. Now we'll see whether the sum will change or not. Here the digits in the ones place are 8, 7, 2. So 8 is bigger number, 7 is smaller number. So draw 7 lines. Keep 8 in your mind and 7 you draw the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 8 plus 7 is 15. Now 15 plus 2. Draw 2 lines, children. Count after 15. 16, 17. So 8 plus 7 plus 2 is 17. Now when we group 17, what happens here? 1 in tens place and 7 in ones place. So write 7 here in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. Now add 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 5, 6. So how much it is? 67. Remember here, if we add the strength boys plus girls plus teacher equal to, the sum is 67. Here boys plus girls plus teachers equal to total people how much children? 67. If we change also, if we change the order as teachers, girls and boys, here the answer is same. So remember, you can add numbers in any order. The answer will remain the same. Though the order changes, the answer will be same when we add the same numbers. Okay. Now, we'll solve the problems of exercise 2.5. Solve these sums. Here the first question. Mother washed 34 towels, 13 sheets and 28 pillow covers. How many items in all did she wash? Here the question is, mother has washed 34 towels, 13 sheets and 28 pillow covers. So you have to find out total how many items did she wash. Okay. So here number of towels 34, number of sheets 13, pillow covers 28. Now if we add all these three, we'll get the total items. How many did she wash? Okay. Now we'll add the numbers in the ones place. See here, 4, 3, 8. First add 4 and 3. 4 is the bigger number, 3 is the smaller number. So 4 in your mind and 3, draw the lines. Now count after 4 children, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Now 7 plus 8. Here 7 is smaller number, 8 is bigger number. So keep 8 in your mind and 7 will draw the line. Now count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15. Now regroup 15 children. 15 equal to 110 plus 5 ones. As 5 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. So what you have to do? We should write 5 in ones place and 1 will carry here in the tens place. Now count the digits in tens place children. What are the digits in tens place? 1, 3, 1, 2. So 1 plus 3. When 1 is added to 3, then what happened? 3 after? It's 4. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Now 5 plus 2. So draw 2 lines. Count after 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 75. Total mother washed 75 items. Okay. Now here we'll reorder. We'll change the order and again we'll rearrange the digits. So here the order is towels plus sheets plus pillow covers. Now we'll change the order. Sheets plus pillow covers plus towels. Now add these children. Now we'll see whether the answer will be same or different. So here the digits in ones place are 3, 8, 4. Now add first 3 and 8. 8 is the bigger number, 3 is the smaller number. So keep 8 in your mind and 3 will draw the lines. 1, 2, 3. Now count after 8. 9, 10, 11. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Now we'll add 4 to it. 11 is bigger number, 4 is smaller number. So we'll draw 4 lines and we'll count after 11. That is 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15. 3 plus 8 plus 4 is 15. Regroup 15 children. Now 5 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. So when we regroup, we get 1 10 plus 5 ones. So write down 5 in ones place and 1 here carry in the tens place. Okay. Now add the digits in the tens place children. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 how much children? It's 4. 3, 4. Up to here it's 4. Now 4 plus 3. So draw 3 lines and count after 4. 5, 6, 7. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 7 and the answer is 75. Though we change the order, the answer remains the same. Okay. Now we'll do the second question. Now second question. During the holidays, Meera went to Delhi for 7 days, Simla for 16 days and Jaipur for 8 days. How many days was Meera on holidays? So here during the holidays, as now you are having the holidays, no? In the same way, Meera also had holidays. In the holidays, she went to Delhi and stayed there for 7 days. From Delhi, she went to Simla and she stayed there. How many days children? 16 days. From Shimla, she went to Jaipur and Jaipur she spent 8 days. So in Delhi, she spent 7 days, Shimla 16 days and Jaipur 8 days. Now you have to find out total how many days Meera was on holidays. Okay, that means total how many days she spent in Delhi, Shimla and Jaipur. Okay, so we'll add the number of days she spent in Delhi, Shimla and Jaipur. So in Delhi 7 days, Shimla is 16 days, Jaipur 8 days. Now add all these three, you'll get the total number of days she spent on holidays. Okay. Now here we'll add the digits in the ones place, that is 7 plus 6 plus 8. Here 7 is bigger and 6 is smaller. So 7 keep in your mind and 6 will draw the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count after 7 children. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 plus 6 is 13. Now add 8 to 13. So draw 8 lines children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now count after 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So total 21. 7 plus 6 plus 8 is 21. If we regroup 21, then what happened? Here 1 is in ones place and 2 in tens place. So 2 10 plus 1 ones. So write down 1 in the ones place and 2 you carry in the tens place. Now add the digits in tens place. That is 2 plus 1 is 3. So total how many days she was on holidays? 31 days. Okay. Now we will change the order. Reorder. We'll change the order of these places and we'll find whether the answer will be same or different. So here days in Jaipur. How many days she spent in Jaipur children? 8 days. So write 8 in the first blank. 8 days. Next, days in Shimla. In Shimla, how many days she was there? 16 days. So write down 16 here. 1, 6, 16. Now next, days in Delhi. How many days she stayed in Delhi? 7 days. So write 7 here. Now add all the three, that is 8 plus 16 plus 7 and find the total number of days she was on holidays. Okay. Now here add 8 plus 6. 8 is bigger number, 6 is smaller number. So keep 8 in your mind and 6 will draw the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count after 8 children. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 8 plus 6 is 14. Now 14 plus 7. Add 7 to 14 children. So draw 7 lines. Now count after 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 8 plus 6 plus 7 is how much children? It's 21. So if we regroup 21, then what happened here? 2 is in tens place and 1 is in ones place. So 2 10 plus 1 ones. So write down 1 in the ones place and 2 you carry in the tens. Now count the digits in tens children. That is 2 plus 1 is 3. So total how many days she spent on holidays? 31 days. Okay, here we change the order. At first we have added Delhi plus Shimla plus Jaipur. And then the second we have come down from reverse. Jaipur, Shimla, Delhi. So we change the order. The answer is same. Okay. Now, life skills. Read the question children. Jatin helped his mother. He folded 12 towels, 10 sheets and 18 pillow covers. How many items in all did he fold? So Jatin, a boy, he is helping to his mother. So when the mother is folding the clothes, he also folded few. Now how many, what he has folded? Here he folded 12 towels, 10 sheets and 18 pillow covers. Now find total how many did he fold in all. Okay, so here we'll write how many towels children? He folded 12 towels. So write down 12. Next he folded sheets. How many sheets? 10 sheets. So write 10 here. Next he folded pillow covers. How many pillow covers? 18 pillow covers. So write 18 here. Now if we add all these, that is towels plus sheets plus pillow covers, then we will get the total items he folded. So this is ones and tens. Now first add. So now add towel plus sheet plus pillow covers, then we'll get the total items Jatin helped to his mother. Okay. Now here add the digits in the ones place children. Here the digits are 2, 0, 8. Now 2 plus 0 is how much? Already we learned that if 0 is added to any number, then the answer is the number itself. So 2 plus 0 is, it's 2 plus 0 is 2. Now add 8 to 2 children. Here 8 is bigger number, 2 is smaller number. So draw lines and 8 keep in your mind. Now count after 8 children. 9, 10. So 2 plus 0 plus 8 equal to 10. Now regroup 10 here. 0 in ones place and 1 in tens place. Okay. So write 0 in the ones place and carry 1 in the tens place. Now count the digits in the tens place children. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So total how many items he folded? He folded total 40 items. Okay children? Okay. With this we have completed exercise 2.5. And today we have learned how to solve the word problems, and we have learned that though we change the order of the numbers, the sum will remain the same. The total of the numbers will remain same though we change the order of the numbers. Okay, and today your homework is write exercise 2.5 in your notebook. Learn and write exercise 2.5 in your notebook. Okay children? Okay, that's it for today. Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next session. Bye children.